that, Mom?
That's the Grand Duke. He's the one who's causing all the trouble. He sent that mean old rooster to Chanticleer's farm to pick a fight.
How come?
Because he didn't like Chanticleer doing all that crowing and bringing up the sun.
How come?
Well, like most owls, he likes the darkness and the rain.
I'm not afraid of the dark.
Oh, it's you. You scared me.
Dory, we got big problems. Have you looked out there? If that rain doesn't stop, so we're all gonna go floating down the river.
This is my favorite part of the story. His name is Edmund. Of course, he didn't look quite like this when I first met him. Anyhow, we weren't the only folks having our troubles. Poor Edmund's family was having their share, too.
The river's rising too fast. We've got to reinforce the sandbags.
Oh, you think that'll work?
We'll make it work. I'll get the boys.
Me too.
You stop right there.
Oh, Mom, I'm one of the boys.
He meant the big boys.
I'm big enough.
Not yet, you're not, darling.
The U.S. Weather Bureau is expecting yet another night of disastrous downpour in the areas worst hit by this week's flooding.
Scott, Mark,
In a special
come on, bring
statement
the truck
given
around to
earlier
the
this
front.
evening, Governor Dale declared a state of national emergency.
Come on, guys, move it. I need some help. We gotta get the animals inside.
So while Scott and Mark got to help protect the house against the flood, poor Edmund was left behind where he'd be safe and out of trouble.
It's my house, too. I want to help.
Well, then pray for the rain to stop, and that will help.
Dory, I can't find the flashlight.
Coming! Now, you stay here where it's safe, Pumpkin. I'm going to help your father, and I'll be right back.
Hi, Dad. Great, let's go.
Hey, Dad, they said on the radio the National Guard might come.
I am too one of the big boys. And without a reason to crow, Chanticleer left the farm. Then came the rain.
Mom! Here!
How is she? Frank!
Just start the truck. She'll be okay. Dory, hurry!
I know the answer. We need Chanticleer. Mom! Boys, the levee's breaking! Chanticleer! Chanticleer!
Edmund had the right idea to call for Chanticleer, but he never could have guessed who was going to answer.